Ụmụ Igbo, ekene m unu, ụmụ ọdịnala. A sị nkachi tata bụ orie ritere anyị ihe ọma. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị Ugochi tubelu Oraifite, Nwa Adama anyị na-akpụ arụ Oraifite. Ihe dị maka ịbịa n'ụbọchị taa bụ ka nkụzie gbasalụ dangers in occult training or mmadụ move against the laws of nature. Believe in me, once you move against the laws of nature, you must be penalized. There are these laws in creation that Almighty Father, known as his throne, we made laws of nature that is in charge of paying every man or woman in his own or her own coin. That is why I can quote to our consumer Bible. Galatians 6:7 says, God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow is what you will reap. It's a principle of life. It does not care whether you believe it or not. It's a principle law in nature, in creation, that you must reap. Now nkụzi today will occult training or occult practices. Why the evil and danger in it is that you are exposing yourself to spiritual danger because you are going against the law of nature, trying to earn, trying to benefit by hypnotizing others or manipulating others because of your greedy and selfish interests. Therefore, you did not pay any attention in due process in creation or care about what will happen to your fellow human being. In occult practice, let me paint a picture. I normally like to paint pictures, speak in parables whenever I'm giving some lectures, in order for you to understand me perfectly. If you did not understand or remember what I said, you remember my story. In occult practice, like I said before, you have already breached the laws, principal laws in creation, the natural laws. That is the simple definition of occult practices. Now, in real sense, occult practice is like you want to swim, but you are using swimming aids like oxygen, life jacket, to name them. That is your swimming aids. With that, you can swim any river. Now, for the fact, but in real sense, you might be a novice. You don't even know how to swim at all. But with the effort of life jacket, you can make progress. You can swim. That is what is happening in occult training. With occult practices, some will tell you that they are vegetarians and rest of them. Practicing all these things will help you to achieve some spiritual height. Without you developing their inner powers, using natural process step by step to mature from grassroots to up. Like somebody swimming with swimming aid without laying the rudiment of, swimming. But the danger is in it is that your grandmaster, whoever that is teaching you in that occult training, giving you those aids, how to do this, do that, and manipulate some natural process in order to get this or that. That person have the key. A person is like a grandmaster, a master to you. He knows your strength and weakness. He knows that your strength, your capability of swimming lies in that tube and life jacket. Do you know what will happen whenever the person decides to harm you? And that's the more reason why the person can harm you. the pens can punch the tube, or destroy the oxygen, or destroy one of those you are swimming aids, and you'll be drowned. Do you get? But had it been you develop yourself spiritual consciousness starting from Chibuzo, Otu Chigi, na-ele your spiritual foundation in Odinana Igbo consciousness, you will develop your spiritual maturity. Believe in me, no occult man will harm you, but you must keep the principle of not harming others. Now, but you can develop, but if you decide to go through occult practices, you are exposing yourself to spiritual danger, because you can be harmed by another person that knows the rudiments in creation and how to manipulate. But if you pay your attention and develop your spiritual power, lay good foundation, believe in me, my brother, no occultic person will harm you. But you must learn never to harm others. But because in law in creation, you reap whatever you sow. You reap wickedness if you sow wickedness. What I'm trying to say is that avoid occult practices. Anything occultic, avoid it. Rather, learn how to develop your spiritual strength. You must be mentored. You must be guided step by step to develop that spiritual power, the entities of power, the ezumezu. Is not something you can achieve in weeks. No. You cannot be at that place in months. It's a gradual thing. Do you know how we have kindergarten, primary school, secondary school, the university, the mahadum? That is how the spiritual journey is. If there is anything you don't understand in what I just said, you will see my WhatsApp number, or rather I will call my WhatsApp number later. Send the message to me. Like my video, share it among your friends. You can even subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get my daily message on Odinana Igbo. Or rather, search for Ugochi tubelu Oraifite on Facebook. You can also be getting my daily messages there. My WhatsApp number is 0805 7837 672. Ugochi tubelu Oraifite Nwa Adama. Igbo makano.